Bollywood diva Kareena Kapoor looks smoking hot in a body-hugging black dress at the launch of the new range of Vaio laptops at Hotel JW Marriott in Juhu yesterday evening.
Well, I've been associated with Sony for the last 4 years, and I think today when you talk about Sony Vaio, the first thing you think of is the size 0 laptop. You think of obviously the brand ambassador and the brand that has been so loyal to me. To me, I think Sony's become such a part of me more than my films. It's literally, it runs in my blood now. It's like I look forward every year that, oh my God, I'm shooting the Vaio commercial. I'm so excited. I start training for it like 10 days prior because it's become, I think, one of the most iconic brands in our country today. But for me it is. I think Sony is my most prestigious brand that I have. And I'd like to take this opportunity just to thank Sony for just being such a part of me. It's like, अरे Sony Vaio का campaign आज release हुआ. It's literally like that. It's like Friday को जैसे film लगती है, it's like Sony Vaio campaign. That's the kind of feel that it is.
Interestingly, Bebo showed her IQ level when she answered a simple question asked by a journalist.
Most of the people within the industry are quite net savvy. So with the usage of Vaio, what are the most common applications you use which are provided with the laptop itself?
Well, I think Vaio is the main application is that it's Windows. It's a personal choice, that everybody has to choose. We're not actually really competing, but I think most Indians are into Windows. Like my Samaira studies in Ambani school, and she uses a Sony Vaio, and not because I'm the brand ambassador.
By the applications,
but it's completely by a personal choice.
Yeah, the applications, what I mean is the kind of music and the gaming options which are available with the Vaio.
I think that they'll be better to answer that.
Which ones do you use?
I'm actually not too much of a gamer. I don't enjoy playing games. But yeah, music is great to have. But it's basically surfing the net for like lots of restaurants and photos and stuff like that. I'm not too much into playing games.
The soon-to-be bride, however, refused to entertain any questions about her wedding during the media interaction.
आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा. सुना है 15 अक्टूबर को आपकी शादी की डेट, 16 अक्टूबर को आपकी शादी की डेट आई है. जैसा आपने बताया कि ये ब्रांड आपसे काफी करीब है, तो क्या इस 16 अक्टूबर को आप सैफ को ये लैपटॉप देना चाहेंगे?
Saif already has Vaio, but he uses a Mac. Your question doesn't interest me.
It has been reported that Saif and Kareena will get married on 16th October.